The base station is the brains of your system. It communicates with all of your devices and includes an attention-getting 90 decibel siren. If you have active monitoring, it also sends your alarm signals to our dispatch center, so we can send help if you need it. To start setting up your base station, you'll first need to install the SimpliSafe app to your mobile device. Once installed, you will need to log into an existing account or create a new account. Next, choose Set up a new system and follow the on-screen instructions to create a location for your new system. Now you're ready to install your base station. To get started, pull the battery tab out of the bottom of the base station. Then, choose a central location within your home where the base station can easily communicate with other SimpliSafe devices you may plan to install. A shelf or a table works best. We recommend you don't place it on the floor or in a cabinet. Then, insert the power cable into the bottom of the base station and plug the other end of the cable into a power outlet. Make sure it's not a power outlet that is controlled by a light switch, or you could accidentally cut power to your base station. But if your power ever does fail, the base station keeps going strong with a 24-hour backup battery. When prompted, scan the QR code on the bottom of your new base station, or manually enter the serial number. To scan the QR code, you may need to provide SimpliSafe access to your camera by selecting Always Allow or Allow Once. Then, wait 10 to 15 seconds as your base station is recognized, and then tap Next. Once recognized, you'll need to teach your base station the credentials for your 2.4 GHz wireless network at this location. Then, enter your PIN. Follow the instructions on the SimpliSafe app to do so. After this, your new base station is set up and you're ready to install the rest of your SimpliSafe devices.